Everybody's wanting to make some big commissions online. In this video, I'll reveal the #1 high ticket program that will allow you to achieve amazing results. Hi, I'm Garrett, and I've been online marketing for over 10 years. And today I'm excited to share with you the best high ticket program out there today. We'll cover what makes a program successful, key features to look for, and the top program to help you achieve substantial earnings. Now, be sure you stay to the very end of the video because you're even going to discover the fastest way to make your first commission inside of this program. Also, if you want to join this program, there will be a link directly below. At any point in this video, you can go to that link and check out more information. Now, the first thing I want to share with you are the criteria I look for when deciding on what program to actually join, because I've joined multiple over the years and they're definitely not all cut from the same cloth, so to speak, right? So the first thing I look for are high commission rates with fast payouts and high percent commissions. So again, when we're talking about high ticket, chances are you were drawn to this video because you like the idea of making just one commission, one referral or sale, and making a substantial amount of income. This allows you to hit your income goal a lot faster because you need a lot less sales per week or per month. So I look for high commission rates, anything above $250, but ideally, closer to $500 or higher is going to be really good. Fast payouts. Okay, so often if you join like ClickBank or JVZoo or some other affiliate networks to find products to promote, you have to wait often 2 weeks up to 30 days to get paid. Okay, so if you want to scale, if you want to pay off bills, that's a very painful thing. Now, I'm actually going to share with you my #1 program a little bit later. You can actually get paid instant commissions, okay, which is absolutely incredible. Now, high percent commission. So again, often in these programs, you got to promote a product, you may get paid 30% commission. So if it's $100, you're only making $30, which you're giving a large portion away to the product creator. I'm going to share with you what I look for, which is high percent commissions, and how you can literally get paid 100% commissions. Okay, so be sure you stick with me because this is virtually unheard of. I also look at the quality and value of the product. So, is it just like PLR, outdated training products that you're selling, or is it high quality value? Okay, because not only can you join a program and start to go through the training yourself, but if you want to resell that, you want your customers to be happy. Okay, this is going to limit people being unhappy or refunding and things like that. Programs with very supportive and interactive communities. Okay, so you want to actually join a program that has a lot of other affiliates or a lot of other members promoting it that are supportive. Okay, especially if you have doubting family or friends around you, this is going to keep you motivated and this is going to get you help to promote this properly. And programs with tons of new members getting results. So our average everyday newbies actually able to go through the process of the program, promote it, and actually make sales. Okay, this tells you that the funnel or the website that they give you is very high converting. And again, all of these boxes will be checked when I share with you the program in just a second that I've discovered. Now, it's also important to choose a program with products in a niche that is long lasting. So every program you want to join to promote products, you want it to be in a certain niche. The riches are in the niches, okay? And you don't just want to do some fad, okay? Like fidget spinners. A lot of people promoted those, they created content, and then now nobody really cares about them. So you want to pick one that's long lasting. And ideally, you want to choose one in health, wealth, or relationships. These are the big three evergreen niches. They're always going to be relevant. People always want to make, lose weight or improve their health. They always want to make more money, save money with wealth, and then relationships. Now, I personally chose the affiliate marketing and the digital marketing niche. I highly recommend if you're watching this, you consider the same thing because #1, it falls into, it's good to choose one you're interested in. If you're watching this video, you're interested in learning how to market products online. So why not sell products that are also in that niche? Okay. Also, it's a very massively growing niche, right? People are wanting to make money from home with the economy. They're wanting to learn how to market products. So it's a massive, massive available niche that we can actually target. Okay, so now that you understand what to look for and how to choose a niche and the right program, I want to go a little bit deeper and then ultimately share with you what this program is. And again, you can find out information at the link below. Okay, now I'm inside of Google Trends, and real quick, I just wanted to share with you that the topic of digital marketing, if you were to choose that niche to go into, you could see that over the months, it is definitely trending upwards, okay? Because digital marketing now is a $1 billion a day industry. People are very interested in making money from home, as I said earlier. And so if you choose this niche, you start creating content or you start, posting about it or promoting in this niche, you will have a very long lasting business. Now I want to share with you the program I discovered that has all of this in one, and it is called the Legacy Builder Program. Okay, so as I talked about, high ticket, okay? So if you actually join this program, you can make up to $900 commission. Here you can see $900 is the highest level. These really, really add up. Also, it's instant paying. So the way it works is when you actually get started with this business, you will get a website just like this, and you can actually connect your preferred payment method to this website. So when someone, your prospect or a potential customer goes to this page, they click here, okay, and they go to decide to buy. When they go to the order form and purchase, okay, you can attach whatever payment method you want. Now I've added PayPal. I also have a credit or debit card. You can add Cash App. Okay, so however you want to collect the money. And also, again, you get paid instant 100% commissions because you actually get resell rights to resell these products as your own, so there's no middleman. Now, I also talked about you want to promote a product or program that has very high quality training or products if that's the niche you're in. Now, if I go here, okay, you're going to be able to actually see that the training inside is incredibly valuable. So you can see right here, there's 114 lessons. So there's tons and tons of training that you're going to be able to sell and promote when people join. So when people join you, you're actually going to be able to give them all this valuable training. Now, the training covers everything from, what is passive income, how to have a 2-hour workday, okay, how to set up an automated system and sales funnel that will literally start following up with your leads for you. And what I love about this is it even gives you your own automated system. So it will give you an import link and a share code where you can literally import this funnel into system.io, which is a free service to actually manage an email list and to collect leads and follow up with people. So it allows you to automate your affiliate or digital marketing business. They have live trainings here, and they even have, setting up like your different social media platforms if you want to learn how to promote on TikTok, okay, or YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram. So they have a ton and a ton of training. Now, again, the way this program works is one, you can actually join this program yourself, okay, and go through the training and things like that, or you can actually purchase into the resell rights to resell this as your own. Everyone gets resell rights when they actually purchase one of the levels. So you can actually resell that as your own and allowing you to also access all of this training. So if I go into the community here, another thing I touched about was a supportive and thriving community. Again, this is great when you have people join and buy from you, you can plug them into this community to keep them motivated. But also, again, when you go to the link below and get started with this program, you can access this community as well and get instant questions answered. So you can see right here, we have over 32,000 members right now, okay, with 412 online right now. So inside of this community, we have so many active people. You can see new member 53 minutes ago, they posted and already 6 people commented welcoming them. Okay, first sale. Okay, so you're seeing tons of, does anyone know? Okay, so this person asked a question 2 minutes ago and already had 3 people answer their question. So this community is incredibly thriving, supportive. In my 10 years online, I've never seen a more supportive community and helpful, things like that. Another cool thing about this community is they have live training. So a lot of high ticket affiliate and digital marketing programs, when you get started, they don't have any live training, right? The training's outdated, there's no support. But as you can see, these are happening almost every single day and any member can actually join. Okay, so you can see right here, today at 9 p.m. for an hour and a half, there's a mentoring call. There's tech calls. So if you want to get more technical help, you can go there. There's the Legacy Builder training, et cetera, et cetera. and they post more as they're happening. You know, I talked about how you want to join something that other people are getting results, especially newbies, people that are brand new, because that tells you the funnel and the process is actually working. So I'm inside of the community here. I'm inside of wins, and I just want to share a couple wins, a couple results of newbies. Okay, a lot of these people are brand new. You can see Madeline right here. 3 hours ago, she posted, I made $1,000 in 2 weeks. Okay, so I believe this is Rand. This is South African Rand. So she's from South Africa. We have people from around the world doing this. That's another great thing. Okay, this person right here, Nom Veliso, $7,121 made in a single month. Okay, another person from South Africa. First sale, okay, $100 surprise while out shopping. So she was out shopping. She made $100. Okay, you know, Glenn right here, ding, ding, ding. So this person basically made a $900 sale, $900 on Monday, $1,000 in 24 hours. Okay, so this person made a sale, you know, ding, 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 first sale of $900 in my sleep. Okay, with the automated system, you can make money even while you're sleeping. Now, as a bonus for sticking with me towards the end of the video, I just want to share with you a very simple strategy you can use to start making sales when you get started. One is you can literally just go to the community, and one of the best strategies to use is something called social proof. This is where you share other people's results, allowing you to generate your own results. So if you don't have any sales, this is the best way to do it. You just go to the wins tab, and you can literally just find a win, find someone, you know, saying they made money, and then just use like a snipping tool on your computer, okay? Or if you're on your phone, you can screenshot and just click new and just literally screenshot like this, okay? And you can save this to your laptop, or if you're on your phone, save that photo and then just literally post it on social media, telling people to comment if they want information on how this person made money. And then you'll get comments, okay? You can even, if you want to get a little bit fancy, you can even go to canva.com, which is a free site, and you can even add those photos to a photo of yourself like this. Okay, this took me, you know, about 15 minutes to create. And then you could tell people to comment info to learn how, and then you can start getting comments, and you just send those people the link to your funnel. So if you've been looking for a way to actually generate consistent income with a high ticket program that gives you the support, that gives you the massive community, the step-by-step video training, the high ticket instant 100% payouts, again, I invite you, go to the link directly below, put your best email into my website, and I will shoot you over all the information as well as how to get started with this powerful program. Be sure you subscribe also by hitting the subscribe button. I'm going to be sharing much more information on marketing in general, and also like and comment your thoughts if you got value. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.